Alright, so we're going to be converting this Yaris into a power window keyless entry, because obviously this one doesn't come with. So you still have this roll up window, which is annoying. So, and I don't have a keyless entry. So this Yaris is very basic, so we're going to convert it into a power window, keyless entry. So now it's pretty much removed. I pretty much removed the bumper, because you have to remove all of that so that you have it's not in your way. And now I'm about to remove the door, and then after that I'm gonna put the I'm gonna swap the door that I got it from the Rakers, which is, it comes with the power window and everything. So let's do that. Okay, so this is the door for the Yaris that I have. I'm converting the side mirror into a power mirror. So this is the mirror that comes with. As you can see, there is no wire here at all. So the one that I got, it's got all the motor and wire, and even the wire on this one. See, even though this is the old door I replaced, because this door here is everything is power, from the window all the way to the rear side mirror. So this is the old one. Everything is manual on this door. But even if this door is manual, it's got all the wiring that it needs to operate. But that's beside the point. So right now I'm rewiring. Even though this comes with the wiring, you still have to rewire it in order to accept the power window, power lock, and a power side view mirror, or rear view mirror. Oh, I'm sorry, side mirror, power side mirror. So and obviously you have to get the power side mirror in order for you to convert it. So here's my power mirror. I got it. And you obviously, if you want to do this, you're gonna have everything you need. Switches. So here's the switch for the mirror. So as you can see now, I test the wire. Obviously, before you put everything back, you have to test your wire, because you have to rewire this to the vehicle. Like I said, the vehicle that I have, it doesn't have any power convenience. So I will put a power here, so I got a battery here. So I will connect my here's the what is this? Yeah, so the negative would be here. This is just a try out. So that's my negative, that's just my positive here. Careful when you do this, because you don't want to burn everything. So as you can see, if I'm going to switch this, right? So now the mirror works. Right? Down, up, down, left, right. So as you can see, everything works. So all I have to do now is to rewire this to the vehicle, and that should be it, right? So we'll see.